everyone. Welcome back to Podcast English Studio. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
Today's lesson is very useful for daily conversations.
Yes, today we're talking about time and duration.
We'll learn how to ask and answer questions like, how long? Duration means how much time something takes.
We talk about duration every day.
For example, how long is the movie? How long is the class? To ask about time, we say, how long plus is or does.
For example, how long is the class?
How long does it take? Let's look at simple answers.
You can say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours.
Very simple. No long sentences. How long is it?
How long is it?
5 minutes.
5 minutes,
1 hour.
1 hour.
Let's try a short conversation.
Okay,
Mark, how long is the English class?
it's 1 hour.
Is it long?
No, it's okay.
Now let's use, how long does it take?
We use this for travel or activities.
For example, how long does it take to get to school? Let's practice.
I'm ready.
How long does it take to go to work?
It takes 30 minutes.
By bus or by bike?
By bus.
Your answers can be short.
For example, 10 minutes. About 1 hour. Around 30 minutes.
About and around mean not exact. Let's have a longer conversation.
Okay,
Mark, how long does it take to cook dinner?
about 30 minutes.
And how long do you eat dinner?
About 20 minutes.
That's nice and simple. Sometimes we talk about waiting,
You can say, I wait for 10 minutes.
or I wait for a long time.
Very common in daily English.
Now it's your turn. Answer out loud. How long is your English class?
How long does it take to go to work or school?
Pause the video and answer in English. It takes 10 minutes.
It takes 10 minutes.
It takes 1 hour.
It takes 1 hour.
About 30 minutes.
About 30 minutes.
About 30 minutes.
Imagine you are in a restaurant.
You ask.
How long does it take to get the food?
The waiter says, 10 minutes.
Very useful.
Important tip. Don't worry about grammar too much.
Short answers are perfect.
Minutes, hours. That's enough. Great job today. Now you can talk about time and duration in English. Now your challenge.
Speak for 30 seconds.
Talk about study time, travel, time, free time. Use how long. Great job today. Now you can talk about time and duration in English.
Practice every day and keep speaking.
See you next time. Bye, Mark.
See you, Anna. Bye.
See you, Anna. Bye.